Namaskar, I am Deepthi, a naturalist and a founder member of Caravan Heritage and Nature Society. In these difficult times of life, when world over we are trying to cope up with COVID-19 pandemic and wondering how will we sort out our threads of life after lockdown, Dr. Jayanti Srivastav came up with Nav Jyoti, an interesting online activity. Let us know more about these activities from Dr. Jayanti Srivastav herself.
गुड मॉर्निंग। सभी बड़ों को मेरा प्रणाम और छोटों को ढेर सा आशीर्वाद। लाइफ वॉज वेरी नॉर्मल टिल द मंथ ऑफ मार्च, बट around 22nd, when our honorable prime minister declared the lockdown, everything came to a standstill. The challenge was to manage professional and personal life, but what I found was very difficult to manage the self. हम स्वयं को कैसे संभालें, स्वयं को कैसे मैनेज करें। तो with this idea I thought of organizing some activities where I thought that all my friends will come together and they will find some time to spend constructively and they will live their childhood once again.
Activity 1 was dressing up for an Halloween costume party. There was an excellent participation from all group members using kajal, lipstick, orange peel, sindoor, ash, powder. Each one of us were transformed from a sophisticated chudal to Tina Kawali to cool Peene wali Dakin to Danto wala Bhoot. It was total fun. The judges, Miss Lalita Pradeep, had a tough time. The competition was so tough that she had to actually give us titles.
Hello, I'm Lalita Pradeep and I'm here to talk a bit about Dr. Jayanti Srivastav. She's a friend of mine since last so many years, and honestly, I always find her very meticulous and very hardworking. Whatever she does, kuch bhi ho, anything, she always puts her soul into it.
लोचन अविराम तनु घन श्याम निज आयुध भुज चारी दूषण बन माला खन किया जान की आज मैंने सपने में देखे राम लखन सिया जान की आज मैंने सपने में देखे।
भजन संध्या का अनुभव बहुत अच्छा था। नवरात्र का दिन चल रहा था, उसमें हम लोग रोज शाम को कॉल आ जाती थी, फिर हम लोग अपने अपने घरों से भजन किया करते थे। भजन खत्म होने के बाद फिर हम घंटियाँ भी बजती थी। फिर ऐतिहासिक कैरेक्टर बनने का हुआ, तो उसमें मैंने मदर टेरेसा बनने के लिए सोचा, क्योंकि मदर टेरेसा बहुत ही अच्छी और मददगार थी। क्योंकि इस कोरोना काल में इस समय इस चीज़ की ही बहुत बड़ी ज़रूरत है। इस लॉकडाउन में समय बिताने के लिए डॉक्टर जयंती श्रीवास्तव को बहुत बड़ा हाथ है, क्योंकि हम लोग को समय इतने अच्छे से बीता है और उसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ।
नमस्कार। इस कोरोना जैसी महामारी के चलते लॉकडाउन का पालन करते हुए डॉक्टर जयंती ने मुझे एक एक्टिविटी ग्रुप का मेंबर बनाया, जिसमें भजन संध्या हुई और फैंसी ड्रेस कंपटीशन हुई, जिसमें मैंने सीता का रोल प्ले किया। और ये सब करते हुए मुझे बहुत आनंद की अनुभूति हुई और एक सकारात्मक ऊर्जा मिली। इन सभी के लिए आप सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Activity 3 was to salute our helps at home. Everybody was challenged to dress up as our domestic helps and post their pictures. The group was flooded with members doing all kind of work as domestic helps and honoring them for their contribution in our life. Miss Nishi Mishra was the judge, and Dr. Jayanti Srivastav in her green sari and choti sitting on floor and trying to clean utensils were the unchallenged winner.
Hello everyone. I'm very happy to giving thanks to dear Jayanti ma'am and everyone is very stressful, and she created so many activities. And earlier I was not very I was very hesitant to participate in these activities, and I really appreciate her patience and commitment to supporting me to participate in the activities. And finally I won the third position in that animal activities as a parrot. And thank you, Jayanti ma'am, so much for creating happiness towards life for us. And I have few lines for you कि परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी यकीनन, ये फैले हुए उनके पर बोलते हैं, वो लोग रहते हैं खामोश अक्सर, जमाने में जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं. Thank you once again, Jayanti ma'am. Thank you so much.
Activity 4 challenged us to dress up as coronavirus and give a message to the society. This was difficult, but members come up with innovative ideas and meaningful messages. I used an old red card to make corona spikes for my face. And Dr. Jayanti Srivastav made corona crown of tomatoes and grapes. And Mrs. Namrata posed with the earth model in her hand.
During this lockdown, I have seen her hosting a couple of events, and I think in 2 or 3 events I was judging the event. You know what I find unique about her style of hosting event is that she always actively engaged the participants, be it makeup or costume or coming in the character or presentation. It's unique. It distinguishes one person from the general look they carry. And it's not always about like collage making, you just put one photo and another. She always push you to come forward and leave your hesitations and inhibitions to a certain distance. And it's so amazing, and she's so lively. I always wish her the best. And her events, they were very engaging and very entertaining. I'm sure all the friends and participants, they must have found it also very engaging and very happy about it. So all the very best, Jayanti. Keep on doing this work. I know you are so intelligent. You are into theatre, you love life, you are such a lovely daughter. So there is everything unique about you, Jayanti. Love you, Jayanti. Bye.
Activity 5 left everyone nostalgic and made us run through our own life movie. We digged through our gold mine and posted cutest childhood photos. Miss Rachana Kachuru was declared cutest of all.
In one of the activities, I was judged, which was a tough job for me as it was something I had never done before. But let me tell you that I truly enjoyed my experience as a judge. It was a wonderful feeling to judge someone, as usually we always being judged by others. But thanks to Jayanti, who put me on the other side of the coin this time, I got to have a new experience. During this period of lockdown crisis, where everyone was bored by the mundane lifestyle that has replaced one's enthusiastic and bustling lifestyle, it was extremely important for everyone to climb out from the sinkhole of boredom. I believe the activities planned and conducted by Jayanti brought about a great cheer and kept us engaged and entertained in a completely new way. I also participated in new activities. It was fun. I must say all activities were very well organized and fun-filled. Lastly, I would say that Jayanti organized everything and was coordinating with everyone with great enthusiasm and spirit. She is a true inspiration for all of us. Thank you, Jayanti. God bless you.
Now all of us was waiting with bated breath for activity 5. Dr. Jayanti opened it up for male members as well. We had to dress up as the characters of Ramayan. Ramayan retelecast during lockdown was the talk of town. And there we were flooded with entries, right from Bhagwan Ram to Ravan, to Lakshman to Vishwamitra, Kaushalya to Raja Dashrath, and Manthara to Kaikeyi, and Angad to Jatayu. Everyone relived the Ramayan era. Mr. Aftab Alam and Miss Lalita Pradeep were the judges, and Mr. Rajiv as Angad were declared as first. And in female category, Dr. Jayanti Srivastav as Manthara were declared as first.
जहाँ तक एक्टिविटीज़ की बात करें तो जो भजन संध्या थी दैट वाज वेरी सेंसिटिव और बहुत ही डिवाइन फील हम लोगों ने किया उसको कर लोग बाद में सब लेडीज हमसे कहते थे कि शाम को आपका फ़ोन का वेट करते हैं, और कैसे कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल पे हम लोग 6 और 7 लोग कनेक्ट होते थे और अपने अपने एंड से भजन गाते थे, घंटियाँ बजाते थे, शंख बजाते थे. तो वो एक फीलिंग बहुत अच्छी थी और बहुत ही डिवाइन माहौल हो जाता था उस वक्त. इसके बाद इफ आई टॉक अबाउट हिस्टोरिकल एंड रामायण कैरेक्टर तो वो भी बहुत अच्छा था. और जो मुझे एज ऑर्गेनाइजर तो चैलेंज एक सबसे बड़ा लगता था, जब भी कहो लोग कहते थे कि प्रॉप्स नहीं है, घर में कुछ अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो एक्चुअली आई हैड टू पुश एवरीबडी, फोन कॉल, मैसेजिंग, नहीं प्लीज आप कुछ करिए. और शाम होते होते, डेडलाइन आते आते आई वाज सरप्राइज टू सी दैट हर कोई अपने इतने एफर्ट्स करके और कोई ना कोई कैरेक्टर बनकर सामने आ जाता था. और मुझे उस वक्त इतनी खुशी लगती थी, मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि हाँ मुझे लोगों की मोहब्बत है और लोग इतनी मेरी बात को इतना ऑनर करते हैं, और मेरे लिए ये एक ऊपर वाले का बहुत बड़ा आशीर्वाद है.
Hi guys, my name is Aftab. I work for Radio Mirchi, and I would like to thank all the organizers for making me one of the judges for this beautiful initiative, the Ramayana activity, wherein people did themed racing, and I believe this is a very unique kind of activity and need of the hour, wherein people are locked in their homes. They have an opportunity to showcase their talent and engage themselves constructively. So great show guys, keep it up, do more such activities to make people happy. Thank you so much.
Activity 7 was laughter challenge. All of us laughed our heart out, and everyone came up with their own distinct style. There was just complete fun and de-stressing exercise. Professor Suchitra Srivastav and Mr. Rahul Puri were the judges, and after long deliberation, Dr. D.K. Modi and Mrs. Rashmi Srivastav were declared as winners.
I must also share that in one of the activities I was a judge, and in that activity the participants had to post videos of their wholehearted laughter. Believe me, though I have not met each one of you, but I have spent those few minutes laughing aloud with all of you, and those are treasured memories for me. I wish Jayanti Di and all the participants of this wonderful group lots and lots of happiness, and and pray for the happiness, well-being and good health for each and every member of this wonderful group. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody, today I have got opportunity to speak to all of you regarding all the activities which we have done during this lockdown. And I have observed when I was compiling the result, when I was judging, both the time I have observed that all the age group have participated with wholeheartedly and full enthusiasm.
नमस्कार, मैं देवेंद्र कुमार मोदी और आप सब डॉक्टर जयंती श्रीवास्तव के कॉमन फ्रेंड हैं, इसलिए इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आज आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ. ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन जयंती श्रीवास्तव की लीडरशिप में ही हमने डर के माहौल में भी मनोरंजन के क्षण ढूंढ लिए. 8 एक्टिविटीज़ में से 5, 6, 7, 8 में मैंने भी पार्टिसिपेट किया. और बहुत मज़ा आया। मज़ा आता भी क्यों नहीं, क्योंकि हर एक्टिविटी में मुझे भी कोई ना कोई प्राइज़ मिला और बहुत जल्द ही हम किसी न किसी प्लेटफॉर्म पर रूबरू होंगे।
In Activity 8, Dr. Jayanti dared us to dress up as historical characters. We digged up our past, and from Rani Lakshmi Bai to Chanakya and Gandhiji to Ambedkar and Khilji to Rani Padmavati, many historical personalities stood life before eyes with minutest details. Mr. Ajit Srivastav and Mr. Pratik Bharadwaj were the judges. Mrs. Madhu Srivastav as Mother Teresa and Mr. D.K. Modi as Mirza Ghalib, jointly with Mr. Ankur Srivastav as Ambedkar, were declared as winners.
Such effort from your side is really going to work on the psyche of the people, and me as well. I have been involved actually whole day, seeing all the photographs, and people have really worked hard to participate, and all the entries are excellent. People have put in effort. It has been difficult to judge and rank them.
So this side RJ Pratik from Radio Mirchi, and seriously I would firstly say thanks to Dr. Jayanti. बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव इनका था, and I enjoyed a lot जब मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को जज किया फैंसी ड्रेस में, एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट कि अभी तक बच्चे ही होते थे जिनको हम लोग जज करते थे, एंड आई वॉज सो ब्लेस्ड कि मैंने उन लोगों को जज किया जो मुझसे भी बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ लोग उम्र में बड़े थे, एंड दे आर जस्ट लाइक अमेजिंग. क्या स्पिरिट उनकी. सो ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स, एंड इट वॉज अमेजिंग 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 एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ माई लाइफ. Enjoy, keep listening to मिर्ची. और आप मुझे सोशल मीडिया पर भी बता सकते हैं जहाँ पर मैं मिर्ची प्रतीक के नाम से हूँ. फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, टिकटॉक, ट्विटर, कहीं पे भी आके बता सकते हैं कि आपको कैसा लगा इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करके. बाय बाय, टेक केयर. सुनते रहिए मिर्ची. मिर्ची सुनने वाले स्टे एट होम.
Activity 9 drew us close to the other life forms on Mother Earth, the birds and mammals. Participants dressed up as parrots, jatayu, rhino, bats, cats and mouse. Mrs. Deepa Verma and Mrs. Samina Anis were the judges, and Dr. Pankaj Srivastav as Australian parrot, so colourful and nice, and Mrs. Pragati as the cute Minnie Mouse were declared as winners.
The person behind is Jayanti. She is instrumental in planning this and in execution also, and she make us engaged for all the time with one of the other activities. And during this lockdown time when people are little bit depressive, she has thought so many activities and which we have done. And one thing you people will also agree that we cannot say no to her. Whenever she is telling with little bit apnaiyat and authority, we'll have to do, then everybody is participating. So all thanks to her, and all the best to all the guys. Love you. Bye.
Now activity 10 was exclusively for children. They made interesting props to resemble vegetables and fruit. We had cute tomatoes, brinjals, carrots, strawberry, bananas, cauliflower to choose from. Miss Vrantika Shukla and I was the judge. Master Ayansh Verma as tomato and Zoya Shamim as strawberry were declared as winners.
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर पंकज श्रीवास्तव मरीजों का इलाज करते करते न जाने कहाँ खो गया था। इस लॉकडाउन ने मुझे फिर से मेरा परिचय कराया। अंदर दबे हुए हुनर फिर से बाहर आए। विपरीत परिस्थितियों में डॉक्टर जयंती जी की सोच को मैं सलाम करता हूँ, जिन्होंने ऑनलाइन डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज ऑर्गेनाइज करके हम सब के अंदर से हमारे बचपन को बाहर निकाल दिया। लॉकडाउन में परिवार तो साथ थे, करीब और आए। परिवार का हमें तैयार करना, हमें जीत की तरफ ले जाना अलग एहसास करा गया, नायाब तोहफा दे गया। 4 में से 3 एक्टिविटीज में पोजीशन पाना मन के विश्वास को और बढ़ा गया। जयंती जी, आप और आपकी इस ऊर्जावान टीम को मैं सलाम करता हूँ। आप सबका अभिनंदन।
To conduct a series of events in this program, I would appreciate the level of enthusiasm of the participants, and judges and whosoever has participated in some or the other way. So I would like to thank all the participants from the bottom of my heart, and especially judges. All the judges are, they took out time and they are very precious. But a few judges who actually were pressing for the time even in this pandemic time, like Lalita Pradeep ji, Radio Mirchi se Aftab और प्रतीक जी, एंड ONGC से चीफ जनरल मैनेजर अजीत जी, ये लोग बहुत बिजी थे इस दौरान भी और इनके लिए मुश्किल था। लेकिन हाँ, मैं कहूंगी कि मेरे एक फोन कॉल पे उन्होंने कभी मना नहीं किया, एंड दे वर मोर देन हैप्पी टू जज माय दीज स्मॉल इवेंट्स. So a special thanks to them. They all came together and they all made this entire series. I think it was a successful thing. So I am very happy about it. और मैं बस इतना ही कहूंगी कि देखिए, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, तू जी ऐ दिल जमाने के लिए. तो अगर आप एक चेहरे पे भी मुस्कान ला सकें, किसी एक जीवन को भी खुशहाल कर सकें, तो इससे बड़ा जिंदगी के लिए कोई और मैसेज नहीं है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है यही एक उद्देश्य होना चाहिए, और मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं किसी के भी एक के भी जीवन को महका सकूं.
We are thankful to our organizer, Dr. Jayanti Srivastava, all the participants and the judges, as these activities not only gave us a break from our monotonous routine, but they also strengthened the bond of friendship between the group members.
Ladies and gentlemen, ये था हमारी आपकी जिंदगी का एक खूबसूरत सफर जो हम सब ने इस लॉकडाउन के दौरान जिया. उम्मीद है कि ये सारी गतिविधियां आप सबको पसंद आई होंगी, जिसमें एक्शन, कॉमेडी, इमोशन, एक्शन थ्रिलर और एडवेंचर सब कुछ शामिल था. डॉक्टर जयंती श्रीवास्तव के इस सुंदर प्रयास को हम दिल से सलाम करते हैं. उसको मेरा ढेर सा प्यार और आशीर्वाद. हम इस समय को भी पार कर जाएंगे. दिस टू शैल पास. थैंक यू.